Nate Hunter from Shorewood, we're needed on net number 2.
Work on it.
Carson Worley.
There you go. Use it. Baseball bat. Baseball bat.
Daniel Ulrich. First base.
Get back.
Get it.
Shorewood, in the hole.
There's a leaning head and arm.
Yeah. Maybe it will.
Joshua Kulan, North Creek. Kazuki Burley, Newport, you're on next with net number 1.
I'll go do that.
Okay.
Steven Gurdon, you're late with net number 3. Dean Walker.
Get behind. Get behind.